everyone, I am here today to show you my August Grace and Delilah box. Now, if you have been following me, every single month I get a Delilah box in the mail, which is a biblical fiction subscription box. Usually it comes in a little sewn bag, but look at this new box, you guys. It's so cute. So it looks like sometimes they're going to be having boxes, and then sometimes they'll be going back to the little sewn bags. So it looks pretty cool, guys. I really like this one. And again, they did rebrand. It's called Grace and Delilah, but it still is the Delilah box. So this is August 2020. So I'll go ahead and show you what's in here. So, oh yeah, and then they have a new thing, which is the Candle Club, where you can get a 16-ounce candle every single month. So that's pretty cool. I really like their candles. I want the New York one really bad because, of course, I'm from New York. So the first thing is you always get a notepad every single month. And then this month was actually kind of cool because we got 2 things of soap. This is goat's milk soap. So this is pretty cool. Then inside this little bag, they are starting to have enamel pins on their site. So this one is bookworm. And that's really cute. I like that. That's adorable. So then you obviously have the bag. Then you have an eyeglass pouch that says Hello Summer with like watermelon and stuff on it. And then, of course, you always have your little notelet that tells you exactly what is in this box. So this is the August box that I received. You always get your devotional written by Taylor herself. Then this is like their little business card to let you know. And then these are the books that we got this month. We got Falling Free. This is a nonfiction book. And then our fiction book is Journey to the Well, which is about the woman at the well that Jesus meets that had been married, I believe, 5 times. I believe she'd been married 5 times. So this was actually a really good book. I've actually read this before, so it's a really great book. And then the last thing, of course, you always get a pen every single month. So that is the August Delilah box. If you guys love them, make sure to check them out at graceanddelilah.com. Taylor, who runs it, she's really sweet. She ships everything out herself. The boxes come from Alabama. So I love working with her. I've been getting these boxes all year, and I have to say that me and my daughter both really enjoy getting the boxes. They're our highlight of our day to see them come in the mail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And again, I can't stand how cute the box is, guys. It's so cute. Grace and Delilah, and I love the little print of the flowers on it. So I hope they keep these little boxes, and it's small enough to fit in your mailbox. So that's great. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.